Up here on the roof, middle of the night. That's what it looks like. It's nice. Fantastic terrace. So I've got solar panels over here. 12. I put 2 lines coming in from these called strings. That's string 1, string 2, and then over here I've installed, you hear the dogs? Oh, 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 oh. This is the string I connected today. I have got from this 4-panel array on concrete blocks. Don't worry, they will be fixed down. But the air can pass underneath well. It's important here. And also you can get to the cables and connections, my connection boxes. I had to actually cut off these MP4 connectors today because they're just no good. That's from the roof in Alicante in Spain. So this has given me 2 kilowatts, which is a kettle. I mean, it's a kettle boiling all day, remember, when it's sunny. But it was frustrating not to actually be able to connect them, because I got these new panels today, got them up here. Someone came and helped me. Connected it all up with the plugs. It just didn't work, nothing. So what I decided to do was to cut the plugs here, cut the plugs there, put the cables in a box, bared the cables, put them together with a connector block. Still didn't. I went down the ladder again, tested it, nothing, 0. So I thought the only thing it can be is that plug over there. So I went to the right, that's the right to the end of the series connection. The positive connection over there.